are you doing? I hope you guys are doing fantastic and enjoying the summer. It's beautiful outside today, so I wanted to make a quick video for you guys, which is something very natural but still glamorous, something you can pull off with anything. It's very neutral. I am wearing a neutral tone outfit as well, but this outfit does not mean that you have to have this eye look or this makeup look. You can have this look with any outfit that you want. It's so neutral. I have some shimmer and some nudes on. I really hope you guys will like this video, and without further ado, let's dig in. it looks like. I hope you guys like the video. I am not wearing my braces right now because I knew I was going to be talking and I wanted to talk normal with you guys and not have my braces affect my way I speak. So I really hope you liked the video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video.